Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to express my personal views on two particular bank stocks because these two stocks is giving highly trading opportunity both in equity as well as F&O, not in options. So these are the two stocks. One is the Bandhan Bank and another is AU Small Finance. So before going to details about these two bank stocks, because these two bank stocks will give high trading opportunity in the month of July also. So please watch the details. So before going to the details, I would like to express the Superfan. Superfan is a trading tips platform which operates through WhatsApp. There are two kinds of Superfans group for us. One is Superfans options, in which we used to give penny level option trading tips and stock options like premiums in the range of 10 paise, 20 paise to up to 90 paise. Such a kind of low priced option trading tips will be given in live market with the entry and target. So along with this, we also give low priced, low budget option trading tips in stock option with entry and target. Low budget option trading tips is nothing but to take 1 lot of option, a capital of 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or sometimes 2000 rupees is enough to take 1 lot. So one may able to take more number of lots since the budget is very less, very minimum. So this kind of trading tips is also given in the live market. Along with this, we also give penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making. I mean to say that the equity stocks in the price range of 5 paise to 20 rupees will be recommended then and there. So all these are given as a package. The subscription to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month, 7,999 per month. So you can remit subscription either by GPay or PhonePe or Paytm or Amazon Pay to the WhatsApp, to our WhatsApp number. I give the WhatsApp number in the description. So like the Superfans options, there is another Superfans for equity, those who want to make safe trading without taking any risk at all. So for those kind of people, we used to give equity trading tips with entry and target in live market. And along with this, we also give penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making in equity. Like I said, the pricing ranging from 5 paise to 20 rupees. So to join Superfans equity also, the subscription is same, 7,999 per month. You can remit subscription the same way. Join Superfans either in option or equity. So it will help you, disclaimer apply, make yourself with consistent profits. Now coming to this video, the bank stock I concerned with Bandhan Bank and AU Small Finance Bank. So with reference to the recent price I watched in the market, the Bandhan Bank was trading around 339 rupees. While considering the 1 month high and 1 month low, the 1 month high was 340 rupees, and it may increase also because in the phone only I tracked this stock, and in the afternoon I was with some other work. 1 month low is 290 rupees. But considering the option prices, the Bandhan Bank is not suitable for option trading because it has a calling wide. It has high volatility also. Sometimes it is not moving at all. It is like in a freezing stage. So one can make use of this stock either in equity or in stock futures. With respect to 1 month high and 1 month low, suppose a person got this stock closely around the 1 month low and offloaded the stock closely around the 1 month high within a period of 1 month, the percentage of gain may be around 17%. The 17% of gain is very high for a month. So if you are considering the bank fixed deposit or mutual fund return or any other finance company investments, you may not be able to get this kind of 17% gain. So one can consider this Bandhan Bank for passive investment or passive trading, or like one can hold for a few months also. The other stock is the AU Small Finance Bank. The recent price I was watching is 1050. Considering the 1 month high and 1 month low, the 1 month high is 1087 and 1 month low is 952 rupees. The percentage of gain for 1 month approximately around 14%. 14% is also a very high percentage, high return as far as equity is concerned, as far as safe trading is concerned, as far as bank stock is concerned. So instead of going for a bank fixed deposit or bank ETF straight away in mutual funds, one can consider this stock also. So this Bandhan Bank and AU Small Finance Bank, both banks are safe, useful for safe trading and as well as useful for safe investment in equity segment. So this is about these two banks. So normally I used to refer twin stocks as Bank of Baroda and Punjab National Bank and IndusInd Bank and Kotak Bank. Like that, these two Bandhan Bank and AU Small Finance Bank, these are not twin stock, identical or non-identical twin stock. These are separate, but both are performing very good return for a short-term gain. So if you are interested in short-term gain, you can consider these two stocks. So if you want to make consistent profits with little capital, with high gain, or moderate capital with moderate gain, you can join Superfans option or Superfans equity. The subscription details are given in the description box. So remove the subscription, join immediately and make use of the trading tips disclaimer apply. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.